with their beautiful steps.
I'm a very good girl, said my old teacher, my dear brother. Anni manchi habits unnayanta nallo vinnava mister. I'm a very good girl, said my old teacher, my dear brother. Anni manchi habits unnayanta nallo vinnava mister. Brush chesukunte nenu close up tho, neelo sukunte nenu lyrics చెప్పుతో, బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ చేస్తే నేను బ్రెడ్ జామ్ తో, స్కూల్ కి వెళ్ళిపోతే నేను యూనిఫామ్ లో. I'm a good girl, I'm a good girl, I'm a good girl. బన్నీ వస్తుంది, జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండండి. ఫన్నీగా చూస్తుంది, ఏదో చేస్తుంది. రన్ అవే ఫ్రమ్ హోమ్ లేకపోతే డేంజర్, గప్ చుక్క దాక్కుండి ఎక్కడైనా.
Bunny is a bad girl, we don't want her. Vinnava mister. వాడు పళ్ళ దయ్యం, దాన్ని చూస్తే భయం. Damn your sister. పిచ్చి కొలమానం అంటే ఊరుకోదుగా, మిస్చిఫ్ చేయకుండా ఉండలేదుగా, పిచ్చి ఏడిపించకుండా వెళ్ళిపోదుగా, అందరిని వెక్కిరించి నవ్వుతుందిగా. She's a bad girl, she's a bad girl, she's a bad girl. ఏదో గలాట తెస్తుంటే ఎట్ట, ఏదో గలాట తెస్తుంటే ఎట్ట, నీకిది అలవాట. వద్దంటూ ఉన్నా వస్తావే వెంట, నా పరువు ఉంటుందా?
ఉన్న ఒక్క చెల్లిని, ఇంత చిన్న పిల్లని నువ్విలా తిట్టినా కొట్టినా, నువ్వు అంటే ఎంతగా ఇష్టమో చెప్పనా, చక్కని బొమ్మనే ఇవ్వనా. వాట్ ఆర్ రియల్లీ నైస్ నేమ్, తీసుకొని దీన్ని థ్యాంక్ యూ చెప్పుకో. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఎ నాటి గర్ల్, తెలుసుకో సన్ని, ఇప్పుడైనా ఒప్పుకో.
టన్నుల కొద్ది పెన్సిళ్ళన్నీ, టన్నుల కొద్ది పెన్సిళ్ళన్నీ స్వాహా చేస్తావే. తినవే తల్లి అంటూ ఉన్న అన్నం తినవేమే.
బన్నీ పేరు చెబితే ఊరిలో అందరూ బాబోయ్ అంటున్నారే, దాని బ్రదర్ అంటే నన్నే ముందుగా అంతా తంతున్నారే.
సన్ని మాట నమ్మకు, అన్ని ఉత్త కోతలు, ప్రామిస్ మమ్మీ. చిన్నదాని గనకే అంత కోపముదులే, ప్లీజ్ ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ మీ.
దో పెద్ద డ్రామా, దీన్ని బాగా తందామా. ఇది పేరెంట్స్ కి పరీక్ష, ఇది బ్రదర్ కి శిక్ష.
దీనికి యాంటీబయాటిక్ లేదా?
దీనికి నీరసం రాదా?
దీంతో మాట్లాడను,
దీంతో ఆటలాడను.
ఇదో సైతాన్,
ఇదో తూఫాన్.
ఇదో నా బంగారు పాప.
Words have incredible power. They can make people's heart fly high. I invite Sister Mary Marshall, our manager, to enlighten us with her message.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, dear parents, students, staff, well-wishers, I stand before you with immense joy because all of you were kind enough to accept the invitation of the school annual celebration. In spite of your heavy schedule, all of you have come here to spend this pleasant evening with us and to watch the program, the cultural program of your kids on the stage. Children love and respect their parents every day. But today, in a very special way, they want to express their love and gratitude to you through the expression of their talents, through the nobility and well-disciplined behavior. You, dear parents, are God-given guardians, protectors, caregivers, guides, and teachers. Children always appreciate you for what you are to them, and they whisper a prayer for you that for all the love and care that you show to them and the sacrifice you make on their behalf. Children are your treasure and they are the future of our nation. So, all of us have the responsibility to mold and shape them. They begin their formation at an early stage when they are at home with you. Later, we welcome them to the school not only to impart knowledge but to take care of all-round formation. It is our Canosian policy that children who come to us become not only merely literate but they become skilled, competent, socially aware and spiritually motivated. We, through our Ministry of Education, not only train the students to become job holders, but we form them as God-fearing citizens as well. The Ministry of Education offers challenges, especially when we have to train children who lack discipline or less motivated to study, or in any other way they go through some struggle. It is very challenging to train such students. Only through unceasing love, sacrifice, perseverance, we can train these children. With love and respect, we accept and accompany these young ones whom God has entrusted to our care. We help them to discover God's plan so that they can contribute their little mite for the building up of the nation. We consider each child as individual person, a unique person with their talents, limitations, likes and dislikes, for dreams and fears, so that they accept the responsibility for their own development and help others in their growth. In the words of Mahatma Gandhi, education means all-round drawing out the best in every child. Thus, education helps the children in developing their own personality and character formation. According to Dr. Radhakrishnan, the great teacher of modern India, the purpose of education is conquering the darkness by light, ignorance by knowledge. It is also said the destiny of India is shaped in the classrooms. Saint Magdalene of Canossa, the foundress of our congregation, and we says that she believes that the Ministry of Education is the most difficult apostolate. So it demands lots of sacrifice, but it is worth doing this education ministry. We Canosians, through our Ministry of Education, are committed to prevent sin as a great proof of our love for God and others. It goes without saying that we show special care and attention to weak students and bring them up in their life. To achieve such great things in every child, we need to join hands with each other. The parents, teachers play a great role in forming these young hearts. And our teachers do great service in taking care of these children entrusted to them. I place on record the commitment, responsibility, love and care with which our teachers take care of the children. They do this service not as a profession but as vocation. I must say a word of appreciation and thanks to all our teaching and non-teaching staff who extend wholehearted cooperation to fulfill the vision and mission we hold dear in our heart to achieve through the Ministry of Education. I remember with gratitude the support, the timely positive response you offer to us, which helps us to face the difficulties we encounter in this apostolate. I raise my hearts to God in prayer to bless the parents, family members of our students, staff and well-wishers. I implore God's blessings on all students of Canossa that they may benefit the most from the loving and dedicated service we offer to them. Thanks a lot. I remain.